Hello everyone, welcome today, brand new day on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 10th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the puzzles. Those puzzles are 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic, yes, tectonic, with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. And one binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Well, I'm not going to solve all these puzzles in this additional 7. No, half of them I will solve, 4 of them I will solve, and also I will solve this 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's a war day number 168. Yes, 168 days ago the war started in Ukraine. The Russians has invaded in Ukraine. Yes. All right. Binary number 4989. It will be, yes, 4989. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means we have a row or in a column. There are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. And then 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1 2 3 4 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Let me think. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, between an O, between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Overlooked. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. It's taking too long. Between two. No. Here we have an O and a 1 there. Here also O and a 1 there. Well, we have here 4 O's in this row. If I place the number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should win O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. And now. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. This one is not easy, but also not so difficult. Anyway, I enjoyed this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.